Good evening, student and friend. I am Rohit Kumar, your math educator. I have passed BTech from RGB University Bhopal. I have 8 years of teaching experience. I cracked JEE main exam and I have also qualified various state and central exam. Let's student answer a question. What is one career profession that interests you and why? Let's we are starting very important chapter of class 10, that is numbers, real number, which is very important exam point of view. Let's start. Find the LCM and SCF. Find the LCM and SCF of 6 into 20. The main concept is LCM and SCF. We must make prime factor. Prime factor means okay. Let's start. 6 we can 6 is equal to 3 into 2, and 20 is equal to 2 2 to the power 2 into 5. Okay. LCM LCM is equal to, what will be LCM? 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 3. SCF is equal to SCF is equal to 2. Okay. How can we decide it? This answer will be how the LCM will be highest power, highest data, and SA will be lowest data. The prime factor is 3 and 2, and 2 to the power 2 into 5. Highest data is 2 to the power 2 5 3, and lowest data is 2 2, that is common. Highest common data, lowest common data. Highest will be LCM and lowest will be SCF. Okay. Next question. Find the HCF and LCM of a given. That is simple. First made prime factor. 6 is equal to 3 into 2. 72, how I calculate? 72 will calculate uh, we 72 is equal to we can calculate it 36 into 2, that will be 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2. Same 120 is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 5 into 5. Sorry. This will be this will be 3. The answer will be 5 into 3. Okay. Same funda. LCM will be highest common factor, or SA will be lowest common factor. The lowest we are looking for LCM is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 into what, 3 to power 3 to power 2 into 5, or SCF is equal to what, 2 into 3. Okay, I am changing color, please wait. Okay. Okay, next question. Same concept. HCF is given, we find LCM. Given HCF is equal to 9, find LCM. Okay. The one formula is multiply of A into B is equal to, sorry. Uh, A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. Okay. The number is given 306 into 757 is equal to LCM is equal to LCM we must find, and HCF is equal to 9. Cancel out and get the answer. We will cancel out this. 9 1 ja 9, 3 there are 3 and 4. The LCM will be 657 into 34. 4 7 ja 28. That will be unit digit of answer will be 8. You can calculate it. I hope you can multiply it. Okay. Next, this is a most important question, very most important question, because this was also come in competitive exam. Okay, there is a circular paths around a sport field. Sonia takes 80 minutes to drive on around of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes. The answer will be that this concept is we must find LCM of overall, so that we can find when he met next time. The next question, the full question will be when meet again or next time. That is he asking in the LCM of indirectly. Same story. A prime factor, we made prime factor of 18. 18 is equal to 3 to power 2 into 2. 12 is equal to 12 is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3. LCM is equal to 3 to the power 2 or 2 to the power 2. That will be 36. They will meet again in 36 minutes, because this is those maximum time, and in these maximum time they meet again. Okay. The next question is for some integer m, every integer is of form am. Okay, even integer. The concept is even. Even will be even is equal to 2m, and odd is equal to 2m plus 1. If you want to check, you can put value 1 or 2. Okay, if we put here 1, the answer will be 2, that is even. If we put 2, that will it will be 4, that is even. If here we put 1, that will be 3. If we put here 2, that will be 5. So we can calculate. Okay, example, इधर क्या हो, एग्जाम्पल विल बी 2 4 if m is equal to 1 2, there will be 3 5. Okay, next question is for some integer q, every odd integer is a form of odd integer. I am also talking is even is equal to 2m plus 1, and odd is equal to 2m. Okay, where value where value will be uh, in place of m q q p r whatever. Okay, there is in place of m, here is q. He asking odd, the answer will be 2q, 2q into 1. Okay, their answer will be 2m, their answer will be 2m. Okay dear, next we will next n square minus 1 is divisible by 8 if a an integer, natural number, odd number. Okay, first off I will talk 8 that come in table of 8. N square is equal to minus 1. We are randomly putting 1 2 3 etc. if we put, if we put 1, there will be if, there will be, oh sorry, the question is, oh so I think this is some mistake. uh, okay, if we put 1, the answer will be 0, that is divisible by, divisible by 8. If we put 2, the answer will be, sorry, we I am clearing explain. Wait, 1 is equal to 0, 2 is equal to 3, 3 is equal to 8, 4 is equal to 15. We observe that this is a 15, this is a 15. We observe that if we put odd, the answer will be divisible by 8, or we put even, this will not divisible by 8. So the conclusion found add odd integer and odd integer. Why? Because odd are fully divided and even are not fully divided. Okay, next, this question, the largest number which is divisible by 17, 125, living remainder 500. Living remainder, he is asking. Okay, sorry, living remainder 17 minus 5, remainder he calling living, I am living. Okay, that will be 65, and 125 minus 8 is equal to 117. We will prime factor 13 into 5, 13 into 9. The LCM will be 13 into 9 into 5. That will be that will be 117 into 5 is equal to 7 5 ja 35, 5 5 8 5 5 585. I think this is got any problem. 585, 585. So the answer will be 585. I think this is mistake anywhere. Oh, sorry. I am writing it not prime factorized. Okay, this will be 3 to the power. This will be 3 to the power 2. 13 into 5 and 3. Okay, so this will be 13 into 3 to the power 2 into 5. This will be 45 into 9. 13. This will be 5. 5. Answer, please wait. 17 minus 5, 565, and 125 minus 8, 128, 17. 13 into 5, this is prime factor, the largest number which is divided by living remainder. Okay, now that 5. Okay. 13 into 9 into 5. Okay, so that will be 65 into 9. Please wait some minute. The answer will be okay. Wait some minute. Where we take 13 into 3 to the power 2 into 5. That will be 65 into 9. 9 5 ja 45 और 9 4 9 6 ja 54 अब 54 54 अब 4 58 585. I think this is a wrong typing, but you must learn concept. Okay, the concept is first you subtract that called remainder, and you get prime factor, and you take maximum power 13 into 5 into 3 to power 2, and you will get the 13 into 5 65 into 9. You calculate. I think that data is misunderstand by me. Okay, next question is that the two positive integer a and b are written x y square and b is xy cube. Xy are prime number, then HCF of ab. I called you always called you. HCF, what is HCF? HCF is a less material in simple language. HCF is less material. Where is x power 3, where is x? Less material will be x. Okay, here is y square, here is y cube. So less material is y square. That will be answer. Okay, I give in bonus, so you will be find LCM. LCM will be highest material, so that will be x cube because it is highest power, y cube. Okay, LCM is the lowest material in both, or HCF is a LCM is the highest material in both, HCF is the lowest material in both. Okay, next I think this is a finish. It's looking like finish. Looking like finish. Wait, I will explain once more for you. Okay, if you are satisfied this demo, you can share your feedback, and if you want more detail about our courses, you can visit counselor session or call us Vedantu. Okay, first simple you must have prime factor, and you LCM concept is high, LCM is a highest material and SF is a lowest material in both. SCF is a as LCM is a highest common material in both, or SCF is a lowest common material in both. That is simple. 2 to the power 2 highest, 3 highest, 5 highest. LCM is a SCF both lowest, 2 2 nothing but. Okay. Second question, once more. 3 prime factor. I You can also do prime factor by factorization method. Okay, LCM highest, 2 to the power 3 highest, 3 to the power 2 highest, 5 to the power 1 highest. SCF least, 2 2 2, and no 3 3 3. Okay, that is final. Next, that is simple. The This is a formula. If you have two number and SCF or LCM, so you can find A into B is equal to LCM into SCF. A first number, B second number, and LCM and SCF in both of two you have once given. You can calculate. So I have calculate, and this is you can also multiply yourself. This is simple. Now this formula must you have learned. LCM into SCF is equal to first number into second number, that is called A and B. Okay, next this is a circular path, and the question also be in rank, also be in form of clock. The bell, the three bell rang 20 minute, 20 minute, 40 minute and 60 minute. Find the time where they rang together. So this is also be the in same concept. Okay, or this is a very important, where they rang together. So you must find LCM of all, and that will be your answer. LCM concept is so simple. Maximum material is equal LCM, lowest material is equal to SCF by prime factorization. Okay, next this is a simple, or even will be 2m or odd will be 2m plus 1. Okay, where the in place of m may be p, q, r, x, y, z, a, b, c, may be anyone, but concept is prime is odd even is equal to 2m or odd is equal to 2m plus 1. Okay, next this is a simple question. I have repeat, even is equal to 2m or odd is equal to 2m plus 1. Next, this is divisibility rule. Okay, so I think must I divide by I will explain you divisibility rule. Divisibility rule. This is just taking more time. I will explain you divisibility rule. It is a one chapter in itself, because there are many questions coming from divisibility rule in competitive exam. Okay. Next, this question will be the same type. Leaving remainder minus remainder the minus 17 minus 5 65, 120 minus 8 117. Next, prime factorization 13 into 5 13 into 9. Okay, 13 into 3 to power 2 into 5, this will be 585. Okay, answer will be 585. By mistake I take some other data. Okay, next, same story. LCM will be highest material or SCF will be lowest material, but that will be final. Okay, so there are any slide more. See, no. Okay, I hope you are feel better, so you can share your feedback. Okay, or I want explain you divisibility rule. Where is divisibility rule question? Please wait. I am seeing in bonus divisibility rule you get. Where is divisibility rule? Okay, थोड़ी some every page. Okay, we have see 2 divisibility rule of 2. Unit digit must be 2. 3 sum divided by 3. Okay, 4 I am explaining in short. Divisibility rule of 4, last 2 digits should be divided by 4. Divisibility rule of 2, unit digit must be divisible by 2, that will 0 2 4 6 8. 3 sum of digit divided by 3. 4 last 2 digits should be divided by 4. Okay. 5 the unit digit should be 0 or 5. Okay. 6 the number should be divided 3 and 2, that means their unit digits must be even number, and the sum of number will be divided by 3. Okay. 7 11 13, that is same, I will explain next time. 8 last 3 digit last 3 digits should be divided by 8. 9 sum of number divided by 9. Okay. Or 7 11 13, these rule is a sum of odd number minus sum of even number, that will be 0 or divided by 7 11 13. So the answer will be number will be divided by 7 11 13. Next, the sum of odd number and sum of even number is 0, so the number will be divided 7 11 13. If the sum of odd number minus even number is 7, that number will be divided by 7. If the sum of odd number minus sum of even number is divided by 11, the number is divided by 11. The sum of odd number minus sum of even number is divided by 13, the number will be divided in 30. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.